Alright, you're not gonna believe who we are. You're not gonna believe me if I tell you, but we're in Zion National Park. Oh yeah! And we're about to go on a hike right now. It's gonna be the greatest, most amazing hike in the whole wide world. Yes, it will be.
I want whatever he's on.
Oh, baby, we dreamed about this.
Congratulations on making your dreams come true. I am very honored to be part of it.
Yes, and we're honored that you're here. My God, mírate que esta vaina, qué impresionante. I can't be stopped. Look at that. Baby, you're getting this ready, huh?
Yeah.
All right, cool. We're hiking. Let's hike.
Yes.
Angel's Landing, that's what we're doing?
Yep, we're doing it.
Angel's Landing. Down that way. Let's do it.
Like you weren't naked this morning. I mean, come on. What?
All right, so we're hiking up this mountain. We're talking about getting naked in the mountain.
Nudity is not an option,
She said
it's a necessity. Guys, learn that. You'll know everything you need to know.
I don't know where I got her. She just a nudist lodge. So another reason why we brought Vivian over
along?
because she has these.
That's a she has big bladders.
I'm the camelback.
You need her to go on one of your hikes. Call her. People are running down. That's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be running out of this mountain.
I've done I've been on a few of these hikes where just the adrenaline picks up on the way down and you just like book it.
Okay, let's book it then.
Ready?
We have like 10 hours to go. Here we go. Follow along, kids. All right, we're climbing up, ascending into this huge canyon. Girls are leading the way. Doing amazing. Vivi's freaking loving it. Woo! There's one steep hike. Angel's Landing. No joke. How many switchbacks have we done?
We're on number 12 or 13. We have about 24 more to go. The never-ending switchback.
Viv took a Red Bull, so she's ahead of us. Dude, let's go. Let's keep going. So we had another water break. This is like our 60th time that we stop.
Oh, almost there. You go. Here. Going up there. Almost there.
Holy crap. This is one hell of a workout. I'm working out muscles I never thought I'd work out. Oh, qué bacano. Woo! coming down from Angel's Landing. They kicked us out from Angel's Landing. Zion National Park, we spent one whole day here.
We're gonna spend more. This is the beginning.
From Angel Landings to the Emerald Ponds
Yes.
and to the Virgin River, what you see behind us.
Yes.
Yep.
This is amazing. I mean, words can't even describe exactly how amazing this park is because it truly is amazing.
Big Bean's only seen a little bit of it, but it is
I could spend amazing. I could spend a week here.
Yeah, we're gonna get
Easily.
back. We're gonna do more. We're gonna go to Bryce tomorrow.
Thanks.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bryce Canyon, we're gonna check that out. You'll see the footage. Thanks a lot for joining. We're gonna go eat something.
Yes. See
And then
you.
we're gonna grub.
Bye.
Go grub. Go
We're
grub.
gonna go grub.
Frozen
Peace.
noodles.